Alright, hello everyone, great to see you again. So this is the 9th of February on Tuesday. So today, this is a recorded video and I would like to remind about the how we can differentiate between the range and trend market, because this is very important topic. This is critical, how you can identify the range or trend market. So this was actually a topic from yesterday. I posted, I was actually doing the live stream yesterday and I was talking about it, and also in my past videos and lives I have talked about how you can differentiate between the trend and range market. And today I would like to mention about that again. I want to recall this part again because recently I've seen my strategy post on on internet. This KTS strategy, or the way I look at Ichimoku, is very unique because I am a trend follower and I only take trades where there's a trend in the market by Ichimoku 5 lines, and if Ichimoku 5 lines show its range, then I don't take trade. And I've seen a couple posts on Twitter and also like YouTube also, and also I've seen this post on the TradingView. So today I would like to pick one of the posts in TradingView, and I would like to correct the way you identify the range and trending market so that people won't misunderstand. So before starting here, just a quick disclaimer: this information is basically based on my own experience knowledge. So when you take trades, please do within risk. So here is the post that I found on TradingView, and this is posted by DataFX, and this post is he made it very nice. Actually, he made it very nice. I think the left is a forward chart and the right is a 30-minute chart, and this is AUD USD, which was posted on the 5th of February. And so he says this is downtrending because he mentions that the Kumo Senko span A is down and Kijun Sen is down, and Chikou span below the candles, and he mentions that this is downtrending. And I would say that the angles are okay. I mean, this Senko span A is down and Kijun Sen down, and Chikou span below the candles. So, and this is bearish Kumo. This is bearish Kumo. So it seems like this is the downtrend, but actually this is not true. So the reason is because this Senko span A is downwards. If you see only this part, the angle of Senko span A, it points downwards. But to me, this is still flat Kumo because overall Kumo is basically flat. So in this case, this is actually something that I mentioned on yesterday's live stream as well, but I would wait for this previous Senko span A breakout. I would wait for the previous Senko span A breakout downwards, and also Senko span B possibly should point downwards too, so that as a whole, the Kumo will become downtrend. And then this Chikou span is below the candles, and this is okay. This part is okay, and the price is below the Kijun Sen, so this is okay too. And this is in forward chart. On the left, this is in forward chart, so it was a nice downtrend. If you see this set up in the future, then that will be a great timing to look for the sell chance in lower time frames. And then looking at this 30-minute chart, I can see that this is flat ranging because the Kumo flat, we see the Senko span BA flat and the Kijun Sen flat, and Chikou span below the candles. So I will say that this is a range market. So for me, I would wait until either Senko span A or B down and Kijun Sen points downwards to look for the sell chance. And I won't take trades for the range market in 1 hour or 30-minute chart. So for me, this is flat in 30-minute chart. And what's more, and this is the topic for today, but in 4-hour chart as a higher time frame, this is flat ranging to me. So so he's got a nice description over here, and I think so far that's the only correction that I would like to mention so that people won't misunderstand the way to look at these Ichimoku lines to capture whether the market is trending or ranging. So yeah, and looks like there are a couple of comments that are very encouraging. So yeah, for me, I'm very happy to see these comments for DataFX for his contributions. So I think the only thing that I would like to mention was the Senko span A angle. So yeah, so once again, in this case, the market might go upwards. Well, actually, this isn't a P wave. First of all, this isn't a P wave. I call it in a P wave because the lows are getting higher and the highs are getting lower in a P wave structure. And when it's in a P wave, I look for the sell chance when Kijun Sen comes below the Tenkan Sen. So I think in this case, this brown line is a Kijun Sen, and the blue one is called Tenkan Sen. But I can see that the Tenkan Sen is overlapping or almost gold crossing the Kijun Sen. So in the P wave, in this P wave confirmations by Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, I don't think this is a great timing to sell. I mean to look for a sell. And in fact, after this, what happened was that the market went upwards. I think I can forward it. Yeah, so it created a double bottom, and the market went upwards now. And now this is bullish trend, and this is because the Kumo was not really downtrending yet. So yeah, this is what's happening on the AUD USD in this forward chart. It's uptrending now, and now this is still flat to me because I see Kumo flat. I can see that this Senko span B is flat, and Senko span A is flat, Kijun Sen flat, and also Kijun Sen is in the Kumo here now. So this is a flat Kijun Sen, and Chikou span is okay. Chikou span above the candles is okay, but in terms of direction, in terms of this direction of the trend, this is flat ranging. So in this case, I also wait until the Kumo goes up and Kijun Sen goes up, breaks this Kumo upwards, and then look for buy chance along the way. So I hope that makes sense to you. And so let me check a couple of other charts for now and see which one's ranging trending in a daily chart. So Euro USD is right in the Kumo here, so it's range completely. I won't look for any trade chances. Euro AUD. Alright, so Euro AUD daily chart shows that this is downtrending, and the reason is because the Kumo looks to be flat, but I can see that the Senko span A broke the previous Senko span A level downwards now. So this difference is very important. You have to see the Senko span A breakout, then also the Kijun Sen is pointing down, Tenkan Sen below the Kijun Sen, and Chikou span below the candles. So for me, this is bearish. So today's bullish candle, and also resisted by this trend line. But if the market breaks downwards this way, then I expect the market continue to go down this way. So that in that sense, I look for the sell chance in lower time frames on this particular market. So what else we can find? Euro pound. This is flat ranging because the Kumo flat. I mean this Senko span BA flat and Kijun Sen flat. So it's retracing backwards, and it might come back to Kijun Sen. So I won't look for a sell chance with this one. I mean, it's not the great timing to look for a sell chance. And the Euro JPY completely in the range. Everything is flat. And so Chikou span is overlapping with the candles. So this is not the good time to sell or buy. And yeah, so this one also, Euro CAD. So Euro CAD, this is to me also the range market because I think this is pretty much the same as the example on this AUD USD on this post, But yeah, Euro CAD daily chart shows that this is flat because we see Senko span B flat, and Senko span A is pointing downwards technically. On the tip of the Senko span A is downwards, and also Kijun Sen is pointing downwards too. So you might think that this is downtrending, but for me this is range because the whole Kumo is range, and what's more, the previous Senko span A hasn't been broken yet. If it breaks, and if the market continues to go down without, and also Chikou span without touching the Chikou span, if the market goes down this way, then I will look for a sell chance afterwards and expect the market breaks the previous low. But for now, this is the range. So in this case, this Kijun Sen angle and the Senko span A angle become fake, and the market can come back to either Kijun Sen or all the way up to Kumo. It might break Kumo too, and comes back to Kumo afterwards because it's in the range market as a whole picture. So hopefully you can understand what I mean by this Senko span A, B angle, and Kijun Sen angles. So this is very tricky, but hopefully you can get used to the way I look at the charts and be able to identify which one's trending, which one's ranging, so that you can at a glance know which market to take trades. So lastly, yesterday, on this live stream yesterday, how to differentiate trend and range market. If you missed this live stream, please watch this one and enjoy my analysis as well, because this was exactly the topic that I was talking about yesterday. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's live stream, and if you liked it, please press a good button and make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you get notified as I do these lives and videos every day. So tomorrow is Wednesday, so I will hope to see you tomorrow either on live or video. So until then, please stay healthy and stay gold. Mata ne. Mata ne means see you in Japanese. So mata ne. Bye for now.